All right, this is a dealer oil change day. It's about that time to get an oil change. So we're gonna change it, take about 45 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna look at some of the cars that they have on the lot. So pretty much I'm gonna do this every time I go in for a dealer oil change.
There because my friend has one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You have something like that?
Yeah, but the blue is kind of darker.
It's kind of what?
Darker?
Oh really? You like that color?
Yeah.
Looks like they got a blue Forester. I always wanted one of these. It's an automatic. You like this one? This
No.
color? No?
No.
Not this one over here. You like this one?
I want one of these.
Two STIs. Let's see, BRZ.
Yeah, this color.
You like that color? There's a black one on the other side. Yeah, I know. It's like they got an older STI with the aftermarket exhaust on it. Got another one there, some rims on it, another old STI. So the WRX right here. And it's asking 44. The markup's 49. 49,000. Jesus Christ. One thing I noticed that they're starting to come with these. The spats on it.
Chipotle.
You want some Chipotle?
Chipotle.
It's Chipotle.
What?
It's Chipotle. Going to the meet in Redmond. The Monday meet that they have. So following Jeff. He's got a whole big, well, just a line of about 6 Subarus behind us. So it's about an hour drive from our first meet point, and probably about an hour and a half from home each way. So kind of the reason why I don't really go to these meets on Mondays because of work. But since I had the day off, I figured I might as well go check it out. But here we are. It's getting dark outside now. Huh. 33 miles per gallon. Cool. Well, here we are. As soon as we got here, it started raining. Great. Hey, Mo!
What up, Aaron?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
You're on the camera, man.
How you been, bro?
All right, man. Just first time at this one, man. You know.
Oh, yeah.
So. Hey, Sean. Oh, hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing, man? You're on camera. Say what's up, man. So,
Crazy people in here.
yeah, I know. Like this guy. I want to shake your hand, man. Sorry, man. You can show respect, man.
Dude, I like your videos, man.
Oh, it's all right, man.
Had the splitter on there?
Yeah, I put it on there. It was a pain in the ass, man.
Was it?
Not really a pain, only because I didn't f***ing drill
Oh.
the drill bits. 'Cause I lost it. I couldn't find it,
Yeah, yeah.
and then I just put it on there, and
Freaking awesome, man. Dude, she's looking badass, man.
just getting there, man.
Ooh, I like the side flares.
Yeah. It's there. Just the back sticks out a little too far for my taste, but
It kind of does.
you know, it's like,
Yeah.
it's like, oh man. Yeah, I was like, oh man, it stuck out too far. I'm like, oh well.
It's really nice though.
It's getting there.
It kind of blends with your. Are you doing a rear diffuser here?
Yeah, but it takes like 6 weeks to make, so I'm like, oh well.
Damn.
I'm like, I'll get it when I get it. I already ordered it.
Oh, really?
You know, so. Yeah, it stopped. Seattle, man.
Let
You
me
know?
see if I can take some pictures.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get into photography. No, really, like,
Well,
I need a second.
You better do it now for your, there's some light out.
I know.
You know? Already selling stickers, huh?
Oh yeah. I started with the white ones.